good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm currently at Manlane Welcome Center and I wanted to update you guys. I'm actually traveling tomorrow to Durban. I'm going on a vacation to Durban and I'm currently just contemplating on whether to go to Centurion at my friend's place or go just close to the airport. Yeah, but I've been here for a while now. I was just feeling tired, so when I arrived I just settled down and I thought, okay, let me just chill out a bit before I decide on what to do. And I also needed to charge my phone. Yeah, so I just wanted to do a quick update and greet you guys. Hello, come with me to Durban. Okay. We are still going up. Yeah.
Can just check in here quickly because I don't know how long is the queue that side.
Okay.
By the security checkpoint.
Can we exchange our drinks?
No problem. You can actually have it.
No, I don't need this one. Thank you so much.
No problem. Miss Cafe Mocha.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, my cam is blurry. Good morning. Today is flying day and so what just happened now is I checked in and when I was about to exit I realized that where I was walking towards it was actually closed. And I asked one of the guys, the securities, why don't you open day for us? And he's like, oh, I might as well open for you. And then he comes, opens, and then after opening, he's like, I should have just also rolled the red carpet for you. Guys, it's so nice to request some princess treatment anywhere.
Entertainment zombie rules and physically constrict, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, to comply with safe.
I'm back. I'm on my way to the hotel now. Actually the mall, not the hotel. But anyway, the hotel is by the mall. Is it suitable for adults?
It is, right? Who says anything against it?
So I'm literally just doing window shopping at this point because I'm too early for my check-in. So not way too early, but I am early. Okay, actually I'm way too early, but I know I can always request what's this? I can always request an early check-in, but also I wanted to, like, you know, walk around, see the mall, and see what's going on, and see if there's something one can buy. Hi, how are you? Is it just one floor down?
Yeah.
No, I don't have a car, my brother. I came with Uber. Zero. Okay, thank you so much. People are asking us, where is your car? Hey, the people of this world, randomly, ma'am, where is your car? Which one? I was supposed to ask which one actually. Okay guys, I'm going to see if somehow there's a way for me to leave my bag at the hotel and go have some lunch. Good morning. Is it morning? Still morning. How are you? I'm good. When you were not here, I was asking him and he was...
I found something this is solo.
He was acting up.
In that one,
But how far is...
The gateway?
Yeah, from here.
Not too far, but you can walk.
But like 20 minutes drive or 10?
No.
10
Less
minutes.
than 10.
It's just 10 minutes.
Oh, 10 minutes. Yeah, then
Yeah.
I can go. If it's not that far, because I just wanted to do something.
If you walk maybe take for 40 minutes maybe.
No, I don't want to walk. No,
Yeah,
but it's not far.
Yeah, but if you use the car, you can just go for 10 minutes.
No, it's not far.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi. No, you must say hi.
You look great, huh?
You, yes.
Ask me to say hi.
Yes, to my camera. Say hi.
Hi.
A long road.
A long road. I don't know which Limpopo you're talking about, but
Okay,
that
but
one
I will get it open now.
is not just around the
Is it
corner.
not around the corner? I have to be mistaken.
You are.
I do apologize. Limpopo is far.
That's fine, because I'm
How did you guys
exhausted.
travel here?
Just give me your ticket, please.
Must give you?
Ticket
Which ticket?
for the bag.
Oh, ticket for the bag.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I'm exhausted. If you were to ask me what's my name, I'd probably not remember. There you go. And
That's the reception.
I'm hungry.
Now,
Finally checked in. Going to the 22nd floor. Oh my gosh, I'm so looking forward to the views, guys. Look at this already. Ah. I'm definitely gonna have lovely views. I'm going to 2210, 2209. Smells so nice. Guys, I want to give you a proper... Okay, just checking if I didn't leave the key on the door. A proper room tour. However, my battery is low. My battery is low. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have a good time. Okay, so here's the kitchen. I'm glad that they allowed me to check in earlier because I was supposed to check in at 2. I came earlier, it's 12. Oh my gosh. Okay. Bedroom. The balcony. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. How beautiful. How beautiful. I'm sold out. This place is this a speaker or just an alarm? I think I can play my music here. JBL speaker, okay. Nice art there. I got this flexible, what do they call it? I think they call it gorilla tripod or something like that. I'll take a lot. I want to try it out on this vacation. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna assemble it with you guys and I'm gonna try it out. Okay. Oh guys, this place is so beautiful. So beautiful. Okay. So I need to unpack my bag. I'll feel fully settled down once I'm done unpacking my bag. Yeah, and relax a bit. I'm actually contemplating, I don't know whether I should freshen up or just, guys, I want to go to the kiddies play area. I don't know what that place is, but there's this place I want to go for bowling. I saw some shop down there where there is bowling and those kiddies games where you get to win teddy bears and stuff. I also want to go to, I don't know what time Bounce closes, but I want to go to Bounce. Like, I just want to be a kid today. Today I want to be a child. I want to be a child and jump around on jumping castles. I want to be a child. And I don't know if I can make it to cinema too. I'll just check if there's anything interesting showing, and then yeah. Okay, let me put the phone on and see how it goes. All right, I need to gundi. All right, gundi langit. Awufanelanga ukuthi utrime. Awufanela. You must not trim. Awufanelana ukuthi Why am I doing this? Ooh, okay. Please bear with me. I'm just trying it out. So, okay. Yeah, it looks okay. Looks okay. You must not fall. Going to the beach. Let's go back. I'm trying to get more going. Like this. I think it was like this. So one thing I told myself is that I'm gonna try my best to do everything that I planned to do on this trip. So today is the first day. I changed my outfit into this mini cute dress. I have my swimwear inside. I'm going to the beach because that's what I said I was gonna do. So unfortunately I don't have a mirror that can show my whole outfit. I'm wearing the sandals and I think I'm gonna put this hat because also I don't wanna burn, darling. So I'm ready. The time is, it's about 8 minutes to 4. Yeah, so I'm gonna stay as long as I can, but first I'm gonna pass by Woolworths and get a few things. Like, I don't know why, but I don't have appetite. I'm gonna get some fruits. I've been craving some fruits. Nyana, gonna get some fruits. I don't know what else, but anything that I could need for the beach in terms of refreshment. So come with me to the beach. Sit down and eat. I actually don't care whether, but I don't have the energy. I wish I had the energy so that I can just get something and cook it myself. I don't know. I might have to get something and cook it myself. Because why? Budget. Budget. Just realized now that there's like a balcony somewhere there. It looks like a nice view. Actually, let me go find out what's anything. Oh, it's not a balcony. What is it? Oh, it's just. Ooh, but this is a nice view. Nice. This apartment has a JBL speaker that side, but for whatever reason it can't connect to my phone. So I thought I should unbox with you guys the one I brought for myself. I've wanted to get a JBL speaker for such a long time. I finally got one. I'm just gonna unbox it with you guys and we're gonna try and play music. I'm gonna try and play music from it. I hope it doesn't need to be charged first. I really hope, because I actually wanna play something while I'm taking a shower, so I don't have time to charge it first. How do we open this thing? This box. There we go. Okay, that's how it looks. It's in black. Ooh, I think it has power. I hope it has. So, comes with a USB charger and manual. Yeah. So I'm just going to try and connect it to my phone. That quick shower I was talking about, guys. That quick shower. I only finished now. Like, when did I arrive here? I don't know. I think I took about 40 minutes or more. I don't know. Also because I did the unboxing and yeah, I tried to connect my speaker and check it out if it's working properly. But I'm going to Woolworths now to get some food. I'm back. Just gonna show you what I got. I got this meal, tikka chicken pasta salad, milk. So this is what I got from Woolworths. So I'm gonna have now. I wanted to actually try this baobab and vitamin C. Yep.